Embraer is a company that is constantly evolving in its creation. Our customers, mostly in the aerospace and defense market, from commercial aviation, business aviation, and defense. We, over the last years, been able to build a team that can well understand the customer needs and to translate it into products and services.
The company is growing from a small company in Brazil many years ago to a big exporter from Brazil to a truly global company. We are one of the 4 big commercial airplanes manufacturers. The biggest challenge that we see in terms of driving innovation and driving technology throughout the company is about developing the right collaboration projects, the right co-creation projects, the right cooperations, not only in Brazil, but in many different places as well.
The aerospace industry, it's really a complex environment. Not only because of the product that itself is complex, but all the value chain, supplier basis, and operation. And that's where technology can help us. Not only develop new products with better performance or comfort, but also to improve systems. We started working with Dassault Systèmes back into 1997, and since then we've been developing together a way of design airplanes and improve the process from the beginning. Today we have this 3D system designed and used by 4,000 employees from pre-design to services. With the 3D, we can eliminate some intermediate languages, steps and documentation, which improves the process, not only saving some time, but the communication is better. The 3D experience allows a better understanding of all the process of assembly and manufacturing, because the 3D information is electronically available to the workers that we well understand the scenario. It simplifies the manufacturing process.
The passenger experience is really important because there's a great focus here on executive jets interiors. We want to have a better grip on the technology, on the manufacturing processes, on the cost, on flexibility. How can we design and offer the best possible seats for our business jets customers?
We extensively use the 3D system in our constant process of introducing new technologies to improve our products. We have in the Legacy 500 a real example of all the things together, such as a new modern, restyled design of the interior, the fly-by-wire system, which enables pilot to control and manage the airplane better, as well as the entirely new avionics.
There's a tremendous opportunity to bring more intelligence to our customers' operation on a day-to-day basis if we integrate more and more these digital platforms.
We do believe that by using the 3D experience platform, we can better integrate people and ideas.